And I feel like this person definitely wants you to keep an open mind about being with them. And this person needs to make an effort. I feel like they need to make an effort first to approach you if you haven't heard from them. But I definitely feel like they're coming back in. And they're going to come back to give you this brand spanking new love offer, okay? Like, this love offer is good. It's a good one. For some of you guys, I don't feel like they're just going to, like, jump right into the fact, like, I love you, let's do this, let's be together. I feel like they want to work things out with you to the point where they can eventually take it to the next level. Alright, so let's see what's going on. Let's hop in. I'm excited. See, and I just happened to see the Hierophant while I was just shuffling. So, excuse me. I'm telling y'all, some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus, but if not, marriage, commitment, it's coming. Aries, this looks so good so far. Like, I'm excited for y'all. Alright, so let's just see what's gonna... Bottom of the deck, Two of Pentacles reverse. So that's letting me know that a decision has been made. So let's see. Alright, Aries, let's go. Alright, so I'm seeing that somebody's been healing. Somebody definitely was, backstabbed a couple of times, from someone in their past. Yeah, but you've been healing. But I'm seeing that whoever hurt you, it's like you're not happy. And I feel like they're not happy either. Yep, see, I told you. It's somebody from the past. Oh, shoot. Alright, Aries. Don't be rolling your eyes. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning some of y'all got new love coming in? But there's past. Don't stop rolling your eyes at me. Anyway, so this person they're really worried. They're frustrated because I'm telling you, they don't know if they're going to be able to work this out with you because they hurt you. They know that they hurt you. You're emotional. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. So you just going to fall like that? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this person is frustrated because they know that they hurt you. They betrayed your trust. And this is why they're feeling stuck. The Emperor tried to jump out. So, Aries, you could be dealing with another Aries. But if not, like I said, they know that they hurt you, and they do want things to improve. But this person definitely, they're dragging their feet, trying to come back. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But whoever this is, this person definitely left you hanging. You know what I'm saying? They left you out in the cold, and they realized, but I'm going to tell you something. I see a lot of healing already just looking at these cards. So, you guys, I'm telling you, you've been putting in the work, and that's what I was telling you guys in the beginning. But see, because the way that this person left you hanging, Aries, this is why they're moving slow to come back towards you to make this right. Because they know that they messed up. See? They want to balance things out, but this person could have been giving to you and someone else, and that was the issue. Yep, and they're going to come back and apologize. Aries. They're coming back, okay? You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this person knows that they didn't balance things out. They didn't do right by you at all. That's why it's like they're not confident in speaking their truth to you just yet from what I'm seeing, because they're sitting here reflecting on everything that they put you through. Again, no balance. I'm seeing it twice. There was no balance. This person definitely was being very immature and childish towards you. But I'm seeing that they made a decision. Let's see. Aries, again, you could be dealing with another Aries, but I'm telling you, this person wants to, I feel like they want to offer you stability. This person wants to come back like the Emperor. They're coming back strong. And I feel like what they're doing right now, they're reflecting. I'm telling you, they keep thinking about everything that they put you through, Aries. And so now this was their lesson. They had to go, I feel like something took place on their side where now they're realizing a lot of truths. They're coming back to you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. But they're sad. Look at that. Not only are they're sad because they took, didn't I just say something happened on their end? Somebody could have took a financial hit. Dealing with some type of codependent situation, whether it's love, family, career, friends. There was something that took place. This person lost out, I feel like, on money as well. And see, now they're realizing, like, dang, I made a big mistake. I want a new beginning with Aries. Crosswatch, if you're dealing with an Aries, this is them saying they want a new beginning with you. So, this person's coming out of being frustrated. Look at that, and they get ready to move fast. They're rushing back in. They want to say something. But because I feel like in the past, they could have been being a player or, you know, in and out of your life. They're afraid that you're going to walk away from them. And, you know, they definitely don't want you to cut them off. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Let's see. Yeah. They don't want you to cut them off, but right now they're not making a move just yet. They're still, I feel like they're wrapping up their lessons, guys. Tell me more. Yep, see? Right now they don't have a peace of mind. I feel like I'm just looking at, my eyes keep going to the Pentacles. So they don't have a peace of mind when it comes to finances, and that could be why they're not moving forward towards you just yet like they want to, but they're coming. You know, some of them could still be feeling like stuck or trapped in a situation with someone else, or, you know, whatever the situation is, but they're going to get out of it, you know, because ultimately they want to have this victory with you, Aries. Yep, the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but I'm picking up your energy looking at the Queen of Pentacles, so this is letting me know that they're afraid that you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Tell me more. Yep, justice. I'm telling you, I feel like your justice will serve. There was something that took place on their end. Somebody wants the truth, though. Let's see. Clarify justice. Could have been dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. Yep. This person, they're wanting the truth from you. Even though I know you want the truth from them, but they're trying to figure out, how do you feel? What is it that you want? Like, they're trying to somehow feel you out. Because they do want to heal things. They do want to move things forward with you. They want things to improve. But this person is frustrated because they know that they had you waiting around. They were moving slow. Yep, this person definitely was being sneaky. But see, even the fact that I'm even seeing 2 sevens there, that lets me know whatever they were, whatever situation that they were in, whoever they were dealing with, friends, family, whatever, love interest. I do feel like somebody was holding on, because remember I told you somebody was in a codependent situation where they were feeling stuck due to finance, like they kept taking a financial loss. I feel like there's somebody still in the picture, and this is why they don't have a peace of mind, because they have to get out of that situation. And see, right now, because of the fact that they stayed stagnant and they were comfortable, they didn't get out of this situation, you know, when they should have. Now they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But this is telling me that they don't have the strength to come towards you right now. Because, yes, I told you, they feel like you're going to reject their offer. And they're stuck trying to make a decision. I'm telling you, they know they want to be with you, but they're just afraid. Like, they don't want you to turn them down, you know. But honestly, from this energy I'm picking up, it's kind of like you have every right to turn them down because they were playing around. But, yeah, they're coming back. See? They feel like you guys are not looking at them like, okay, this is the person that I still want to spend the rest of my life with, or I would like to move things forward. But I'm going to be honest with you. Y'all already know when I see the Queen of Wands reversed in a love reading, that's like a mother or a mother figure interfering. So I've been telling y'all there's somebody that's been standing in the way, and it's something pertaining to finances I keep picking up. So if it's not like a mother figure, like they have a child with someone, or, you know, whatever the case is, there's just still some type of energy lingering around. And this is why this person is afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person, they're going to take the leap. They're going to take a leap, and they're going to come towards you. But it's going to take place once they let go of this other situation that they were in. They're going to have to drop it. Ooh, okay. There's going to be a tower moment. So this person, because I'm telling y'all, they already know they want to be with you. But remember, some of them are kind of like staying stagnant and stuck. So if they don't make a move, there's going to be a tower moment. The universe is going to step in, and they're going to force them to move, you know? And there's something saying switch it. Yeah, because they're stuck trying to make a decision, and because they couldn't make this decision, even though they know what to do, that's when the tower moment's going to come in. Because, see, they want to have the stability with you, but remember, I've been telling y'all, there's somebody still here holding on, and that's the problem. So the universe is going to step in. See? And they're going, Lord, almost cursed again. Let me tell you something. When the universe steps in, there's going to be a breakup. Whether it's a breakup of a commitment, marriage, breakup of like some type of family tie. I'm telling you, there's something that's going to happen. Yep. And this person, basically, they're going to move forward. They're not going to look back. They're not. See? Somebody's coming out of being frustrated about this situation. They're tired of arguing with someone. Look at that. They're ready to balance things out with you. But for some reason, it's like they're still not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. Yep. Because they feel like you don't want to build with them. But see, this person loves you. Some of you guys is definitely a soulmate energy. You know, this person loves you. They want a commitment with you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. This person definitely is going through a transformation here. Making changes. But right now, there's little to no communication between the two of you. Whoever this is, sorry, I got quiet. I'm picking up on something.